Hi, my name is Ben. I make videos to encourage others grow their own food, stay healthy, and save the environment. This is my mini greenhouse. I built this using scrap of woods, boards, and materials during the construction of our house. As you can see those stains of cements on the boards. And on the right side, I planted mustards. In the middle, in this bed, I have a Chinese cabbage and radish. And in this left side, I have a PVC pipe wherein I used to plant Chinese cabbage also. Okay, if you look at those materials, they are very cheap and they are just recycled. I bought a UV plastic for my plants protection from too much sunlight and of course the rain and other elements like insects and birds. So I harvested four of this radish ready for breakfast. The leaves of this radish are also edible. I'm going to create a separate video on how to cook them so that you can also try. These are super nutritious and super healthy. Okay, I'm encouraging everyone to start your own garden and harvest what you have planted. Okay, you don't need to have a very expensive garden. All you have to do is to be creative and have that passion, okay, to help the environment and of course to be healthy. Look at that. Thank you so much.